Let's jump right into this quick explainer on installing the KODI add-on version 3. Here's the crucial URL, team-crew.github.io. Definitely pause and write this down. First, let's allow third-party add-ons. Head to your KODI settings, click System, and enable unknown sources. Just click Yes to that warning, back out to the System menu, and open File Manager. Now select Add Source and type in that exact Team Crew URL we saved a second ago. Give this source a super simple name, like just crew, and hit OK. All right, navigate back to the System page, select Add-ons, and click Install from zip file. Click on your crew source, then select the repository zip file to kick off the install. Hang tight for just a moment until you see the crew repo installed message pop up. Now click Install from repository, choose the crew repo, and then select Video Add-ons. Select the crew from that list, click Install, and just hit OK to accept those dependencies. Once you see this successful installation message, the core setup is totally complete. Awesome. Want peak streaming performance? You'll definitely want to integrate a few premium services next. To add TorBox, go into Settings, find Resolve URL, and simply paste in your TorBox API key. This unlocks super high-quality premium streaming links. You'll easily spot them by their purple text. Use Tracked TV? You can quickly authorize your account right through the Tools menu. The Crew packs massive content categories, from movies and sports to IPTV, building your ultimate library. There's also a hidden adult section. Unlock it in navigation settings using the password LOL. Since free streaming links get pretty unreliable, using a premium debrid service is highly recommended. Legally speaking, remember, you are fully responsible for any content accessed through these unverified add-ons. Virus scans show zero malicious files, but using a VPN is always strongly recommended for protection. You're totally set up. Will the Crew become your ultimate all-in-one streaming solution? Let's see.